So last week, I asked if you guys can solve this problem in O1 space complexity. So to find the majority element, we can use Boyer-Moore's majority voting algorithm. And the best way to learn this algorithm is to run through an example together. So here's the input, and we want to find the element x that is greater than n divided by 2. We need two variables. One is a counter, and the second one is the candidate. So we start at 2, and since the counter is 0, we can initialize the candidate to the value 2. And then we can increment our counter by 1. And now let's go to the next element, and now we see 1, which does not equal 2, so now we can decrement the counter back to 0. And now let's move forward, and now the counter is 0, so now we can update the candidate and set it to 1, and then we can increment the counter. And next we see 1, which matches the candidate, so now we can increment the counter to 2. Next we see 5, which is not 1, so now we can decrement the counter, so now we'll get 1. And the answer is 1. As you can see, we only created two variables, so we only have a space complexity of O of 1, which is better than O of n. If you learned something new, make sure to follow for more.